Hey guys, so this video is not on some tutorial, but it's very helpful if you are making some videos on especially on Solidworks CSWA exam questions. So what happened? Like, why I'm making this video? So because I uploaded many videos on CSWA exam questions, and I have solved that by using my method, but unfortunately I got this copyright strike on my videos. So as you can see here, like this channel violation, active copyright strike. So if I click this, I have one copyright strike, which can make my copyright status like a little bit bad. And that strike, you can see the details that it is all the exams questions which I made, like which for that I made the solution. So it is the Solidworks Corporation. So they have put some copyright strike on on my videos. So the thing is that I don't know why only me, because I can see that there are many videos on this on YouTube. So but they didn't get any copyright notice. So let's see if I write CSWA exam questions. I can see that there are videos which are available, but they didn't get any copyright strike. So the helpful thing is that I will say that we beware of this and take this as a warning, and try to make your channel as good as possible. So the thing is that how can you know that whether you are able to upload the videos or not? So what I did after getting this strike, I asked questions to YouTube. So for that I asked a question, but I didn't get any reply from the YouTube. And I asked a question to the Solidworks community. So when I asked this question to the Solidworks community, I got the reply, and the reply says that, you can see this one with the full discussion. So I asked that are CSW exam questions copyright protected? Can I use CSW exam question to make a video on it and upload on it YouTube? So one guy like this, Frederick, hello. So I thank to him that he gave me answer. He says that like make a cheat videos on YouTube. So you cannot. So he says that I cannot share exam question and answer. So it clearly says that you cannot share exam question and answer. You can use CSW sample exam, but you cannot share the exam question and answer. So that is the thing. Okay, so the most important thing, if you have uploaded these videos, so please either take it back, or I am thinking that you are also going to get this copyright strike. It's better not to share CSW exam question and answer. I don't know why the YouTube didn't give me any answer for this, because I asked them, but no answer from them, which surprised me. So I asked this question that to YouTube community, but I didn't get any answer from YouTube. So that's the only thing. I asked you to get I got copyright strike for videos which are made by me on Solidworks. Why? What is the reason? And then why only my videos got copyright strike? Why not others? So I am waiting from YouTube, and let's see what they will answer. But the take home message is that from Solidworks I got like this reply from community that don't upload Solidworks CSW exam questions and answer. Okay, so that's the video for this. If you like this video, if it will be helpful to you, I know that it will not be helpful to you because you have to remove your videos. So just beware of this. Just take it as a warning, and save your channel. Thank you.